Is there anything sadder than your Roborock S8 Pro Ultra playing dead? You press the power button on your Roborock, expecting the usual hum of cleaning perfection, but get absolute silence instead. If your vacuum is refusing to wake up, you aren't alone. The issue where the device can't turn on is a common headache for owners of this specific model. While you might fear a fried motherboard, our diagnostics at RoboCare reveal the true villain is almost always a faulty battery. Essentially, the heartbeat of your bot has stopped, cutting power to all systems. Leaving this unchecked doesn't just mean dirty floors. Trying to force charge a bad battery can actually overheat the system and fry your mainboard, turning a simple repair into a total disaster. But don't panic. RoboCare specializes in professional robot vacuum repair, and we know exactly how to revive your machine. At RoboCare, we pride ourselves on being the premier experts in robot vacuum repair. We don't just guess at the problem. Our technicians possess years of specialized experience with the Roborock architecture. We understand the complex power management systems inside the S8 Pro Ultra better than anyone else. Using precision voltage metering and advanced load testing equipment, we cut through the confusion to pinpoint the root cause. In this specific case, our diagnostic tools confirm that a faulty battery is preventing the system from booting up. To fix this, we perform a surgical disassembly to access the battery compartment. We then replace the dead unit with a genuine component that matches factory specifications, ensuring safe charging and long run times. But talk is cheap. You want to see if it actually works, right? Let's show you the results. And just look at it now. The power is back, the sensors are active, and this Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is navigating flawlessly. It's back to full health and ready to tackle your dirty floors immediately. Don't replace it, repair it. RoboCare is here to help. Contact us today.